As a child, I was often praised for my intelligence. "You're so smart," they would say, and I soaked it up like a sponge. But what I didn't realize was that this constant validation was planting seeds of anxiety deep within me. It's a phenomenon I now call smart girl syndrome. Think about it. When you're labeled as the smart one, there's an unspoken pressure to maintain that image. Every test, every project, every conversation becomes a high-stakes game. You start to believe that your worth is tied to your intellect, and when you inevitably stumble, because, let's face it, nobody is perfect, anxiety creeps in. You question your abilities, your identity, and even your future. I remember a time in high school when I bombed a math test. I felt like I was standing on the edge of a cliff, staring into an abyss of failure. My mind raced with thoughts. What if I'm not as smart as everyone thinks? What if I disappoint my parents? What if I can't get into a good college? It was paralyzing. Research shows that gifted individuals often experience higher levels of anxiety. A study published in the Journal of Educational Psychology found that the pressure to excel can lead to perfectionism, which in turn fuels anxiety. It's a vicious cycle. The more we strive for perfection, the more we fear failure, and the more anxious we become. But here's the thing, intelligence is just one piece of the puzzle. It doesn't define us. We need to shift our mindset. Instead of seeing intelligence as a badge of honor, let's view it as a tool for growth. Embrace mistakes as opportunities to learn. When I started to reframe my failures, I noticed a shift in my anxiety levels. I began to see challenges as stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. One practical challenge I implemented was setting failure goals. Instead of aiming for straight A's, I aimed to try something new and fail at it. Whether it was a cooking class or a public speaking event, I learned to celebrate the experience rather than the outcome. This simple shift helped me reclaim my calm and find joy in the process. Encouragement is key. Surround yourself with people who value you for more than just your intellect. Share your struggles and remind each other that it's okay to not have all the answers. We're all on this journey together, navigating the complexities of life and learning along the way. So, if you find yourself caught in the web of smart girl syndrome, take a deep breath. Remember that your value isn't solely tied to your brain power. Embrace your imperfections, celebrate your growth, and give yourself permission to be human. You're not alone in this. Let's reclaim our calm one step at a time.